If you're still running your gym on Excel sheets, paper sign-in forms, and random WhatsApp messages from coaches, you don't have a time problem, you have a system problem. The right gym management software can help you automate membership billing, simplify check-ins and class bookings, track attendance and performance, and also keep your whole team on the same page. In this tutorial, we'll be breaking down the 6 best gym management software platforms for 2025 going into 2026. We'll go from number 6 to number 1, and I'll show you which one makes the most sense if you're a small community gym, a boutique studio, or a 24/7 facility. Now, let's dive in. To kick things off, at number 6, we have Gymdesk. Gymdesk is a lightweight, modern gym management platform aimed at smaller gyms and studios that want clean software without enterprise pricing. It's consistently mentioned as a top budget-friendly option with strong reviews, and I would consider it best for small gyms, martial arts school, and studios that want to move off spreadsheets and cheap DIY tools into proper system without spending a fortune. Some standout features when it comes onto Gymdesk include membership management with online sign-ups and automated recurring billing, attendance tracking and check-ins via app or browser, basic workout or class scheduling and booking, simple reporting on revenue, memberships, and attendance trends. And the reason why it is good, it is often cited as one of the most affordable gym platforms with strong ratings on review sites. Interface is simpler than some of the legacy gym systems, which makes onboarding staff easier. And if we were to check out the pricing when it comes onto Gymdesk, you can see right here that you can get started for free, and their paid plan begins at $75 for micro gym, and it can go up to $200 per month. And I would recommend you use Gymdesk if you are a small budget-conscious gym and you want the core features, which is memberships, billing, check-ins, and basic reports. At number 5, we have PushPress. And PushPress, I would consider it best for CrossFit and class-based functional gyms. PushPress is a gym management system built for functional fitness, CrossFit-style gyms, and class-based studios. It's known for a generous free plan and modern UX. It is best for CrossFit boxes, small group training gyms, and startups that run class-first, community-focused operations. Some standout features when it comes onto PushPress include class scheduling and member self-check-in with your QOSys and app, also membership and plan management with recurring billing and integrated payments, basic CRM and lead tracking to follow up with trials and drop-ins, and a free tier for small gyms with paid Pro or Max tiers adding more automation and features. The reason why it is a standout platform is purpose-built for class-driven gyms instead of old-school membership-only models, and the free plan makes it very attractive if you're bootstrapping your first 50 to 100 members. Now, if we were to check out their pricing, while you can get started for completely free, their paid plan begins at $159 per month, and it can go up to $229 per month. At number 4, we have Zen Planner. Zen Planner is a well-established gym management platform known for automated billing, workout, and performance tracking, and it also offers strong support for CrossFit, martial arts, and boutique gyms. Best for gyms and studios that want deeper member automations, performance tracking, and multi-discipline support. For instance, strength, martial arts, and also group classes. Some standout features when it comes onto Zen Planner are membership management and auto billing with retry logic and reporting, built-in workout tracking and member progress, which is great for strength and martial arts, also custom calendars for classes, events, boot camps, and open gym, and staff payroll and compensation tracking. And the reason why I think it is a good option is because it offers strong automation around billing, reminders, and member flows, freeing up front desks and owner time. It is also very flexible for different gym models, whether that is CrossFit, martial arts, or boutique functional training. And when it comes onto their pricing, you'll need to book a demo, but you can see right here that it typically starts off at $99 per month. And with this, you'll be getting their membership management, scheduling, workout tracking, and also mobile app. And you can scroll down and you can see right here that it goes up to $249 for more advanced marketing features. Now at number 3, we have Glofox, and I would consider Glofox best for boutique studios and branded member experience. Glofox is a gym and studio management platform built with boutique fitness in mind. Think HIIT or yoga or Pilates and brand forward studios. It is best for boutique gyms and studios that care about brand, member experience, and mobile apps as much as scheduling and billing. Some standout features when it comes onto this platform include branded mobile app for class booking, membership management and notification, integrated CRM and lead management with automated member journey, also real-time reporting on bookings, attendance and revenue, and tools to track class popularity, instructor performance, and retention metrics. And if we were to check out the pricing when it comes onto Glofox, as you can see right here, you'll be able to get a demo, and from there you can talk to the rep and you'll be able to get a pricing depending on the size of your gym and also the features that you want. At number 2, we have GymMaster, and I would consider it best for 24/7 access gyms and key card control. When it comes onto GymMaster, it is a gym management system tightly integrated with access control, making it ideal for 24/7 gyms where members can let themselves in with cards, pubs, or biometric readers. It is best for 24/7 fitness centers, key fob gyms, and clubs that run with limited front desk staffing and rely heavily on automated access. Some standout features of this platform include integrated door access control, member self-service portal and kiosks for joining, updating details, or making payments, comprehensive scheduling tools, porting and mobile access for staff and owners, and real-time member activity tracking, reminders, and marketing tools. The reason why I think this is one of the best options is it is ideal if your business model depends on 24/7 entry and you want software plus access control from one vendor, and it helps reduce staffing costs while keeping good visibility on who is in the gym and when. And if we were to check out the pricing, you can see right here for the software only you can get started for $89. If it is a case that you want the software plus door access, it would start off at $129 and it can go up to $249 depending on the amount of members that you have. And taking the number 1 spot on our list is Mindbody. And I would consider Mindbody best all-around platform for gyms, studios, and wellness clubs. Mindbody is one of the most established fitness and wellness management platforms in the market. It's widely used by gyms, studios, and hybrid wellness businesses. It has a huge ecosystem of integrations and marketplace exposure. It is best for gyms and studios that want a full suite. Think scheduling, memberships, POS, marketing, and branded app options, and also marketplace visibility. Some standout features of this platform include class and appointment scheduling with waitlists, auto reminders, and client self-booking, membership and package management with automated recurring billing and POS for retail, advanced reporting and analytics on revenue, attendance, retention, and also member value, and marketing tools, for instance, email and text campaigns, promos, and integration with ClassPass, plus Mindbody's consumer marketplace, which can drive new clients to your gym or studio. And the reason why it is number 1 on my list is it's a mature, feature-rich platform designed for studios and gyms that want to scale and run most of their business from one system. Also, it is excellent if you're a hybrid fitness or wellness business, for instance, a gym plus yoga plus PT plus massage with multiple revenue streams. And when it comes onto pricing, As you can see right here, when it comes onto Mindbody, you'll have to talk to one of their reps, so you can tap on Let's Talk, but you can also get a demo. Hope you found this comparison helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And for watching.